Ever wondered how you could enhance your daily well-being using an ancient practice known as energy dowsing? Welcome to the fascinating world of energy dowsing, a practice that has been around for centuries, yet remains relevant in today's fast-paced world. This practice, also known as divining or water witching, began as a method to locate underground water sources. Over time, its applications have broadened significantly, now including the detection and balancing of energy fields. Energy dowsing is more than just a relic of the past. It's a tool that many individuals use to enhance their well-being in the modern age. By tapping into the subtle energies that surround us, energy dowsing can help identify and clear blockages, promote relaxation, and improve overall energy flow. It's a practice that encourages harmony between ourselves and the world around us, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Despite its long history and varied applications, energy dowsing is often met with skepticism and misconceptions. Some dismiss it as mere superstition, while others embrace it as a valuable tool for navigating the world. We aim to provide a balanced perspective, exploring the potential of energy dowsing while also acknowledging the skepticism that surrounds it. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the world of energy dowsing, exploring its history, its varied applications, and its potential benefits. We'll also tackle common misconceptions and provide practical tips for those interested in incorporating energy dowsing into their daily routines. Whether you're new to the concept or already familiar with it, we hope that this video will provide valuable insights and techniques to help you tap into the energy around you. We'll guide you through the journey, providing the knowledge and tools you need to start enhancing your well-being through energy dowsing. So get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and personal growth. Get ready to unlock the power of energy dowsing and enhance your well-being like never before. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating world of energy dowsing. Energy dowsing, also known as divining or water witching, has a rich and diverse history. Its roots date back thousands of years, with early evidence found in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics and Chinese writings. These civilizations used dowsing to locate underground water, minerals, and even lost objects. Dowsing's popularity grew in the Middle Ages when it was used extensively in Europe to find coal deposits. But it was during the 16th century that dowsing took a significant leap forward. German physician and occultist Georgius Agricola mentioned the use of dowsing rod in his book titled De Re Metallica, giving the practice a scientific credibility. The term water witching was coined in the early 19th century in the United States, reflecting its primary use to find underground water sources. In the arid regions of the American West, dowsers played a crucial role in helping settlers and farmers find water for their crops and livestock. In the 20th century, the scope of dowsing expanded beyond locating physical resources. People began using dowsing to detect and balance energies, leading to the term energy dowsing. This shift was largely influenced by the New Age movement and its focus on holistic wellness and spiritual growth. Today, energy dowsing is used for a variety of purposes, from finding geopathic stress lines and clearing negative energy from spaces to balancing personal energy fields for improved health and well-being. Some practitioners even use it in conjunction with other healing modalities like Reiki and acupuncture to enhance their effectiveness. As we've seen, the history of energy dowsing is as dynamic as the energies it seeks to balance. It has adapted and evolved over time, proving its resilience and versatility. Despite the skepticism it often faces, it continues to be practiced worldwide, providing a valuable tool for those seeking to enhance their well-being and connect with the subtle energies around them. From water witching to energy balancing, energy dowsing has evolved to be a versatile technique. Its rich history is a testament to its enduring appeal and the potential it holds for those willing to explore its possibilities. You might be wondering, how does energy dowsing work? Well, let's unravel the mystery together. At its core, energy dowsing is about sensitivity to energy fields. We live in a world teeming with energy, from the electromagnetic fields generated by our devices to the natural energies of the earth and universe. Energy dowsers believe that everything, living or inanimate, possesses an energy field, and these fields can interact with each other. So how does one tap into these energy fields? Energy dowsing usually involves tools such as dowsing rods or pendulums, but the real key lies within the dowser. It's about honing your intuition and sensitivity to perceive and interact with these subtle energies. Some describe it as an extension of their senses, or a sixth sense, if you will. When energy dowsing, the dowser holds the dowsing tool and asks a specific question or intends to find something. The tool then moves in response to the energy field related to the question or object of interest. It's believed that this movement is influenced by the dowser's subconscious mind, which is sensitive to the subtle energies around us. Now let's talk about energy blockages. Just as a river can have obstructions that hinder its flow, our personal energy fields can also have blockages that impede our well-being. These can result from various factors like stress, negative thoughts, or unhealthy lifestyle habits. Energy dowsing can help identify these blockages, but it doesn't stop at identification. Energy dowsing can also help clear these blockages. By focusing on the blockage and intending for its release, dowsers can help restore the energy flow. Some dowsers also use tools like crystals or specific hand movements to aid in clearing the blockages. Remember though, energy dowsing isn't just about problem solving. It's also about enhancing our overall well-being. By regularly tuning into our energy fields, we can become more aware of our energetic health, just as we monitor our physical health. By tapping into these energies, we can enhance our overall well-being. Now, isn't that a fascinating journey to embark on? Despite its benefits, energy dowsing is often met with skepticism and misconceptions. That's the reality we're dealing with, but let's not shy away from it. Instead, let's dive into the heart of the matter and debunk these myths. One common misconception is that energy dowsing is some form of mystical or magical practice. In fact, it's not. It's a practice rooted in our ability to tap into subtle energies around us. It's about tuning into our intuition and harnessing our body's natural energy fields. Another myth is that energy dowsing is a pseudoscience with no scientific backing. While it's true that the mechanisms behind energy dowsing are not fully understood, this doesn't negate its effectiveness. Just like acupuncture or yoga, energy dowsing operates within the realm of subtle energy fields, which are not easily measurable by conventional scientific methods. However, countless anecdotal evidence and personal testimonies attest to its benefits. Then there's the skepticism. Can dowsing really help enhance my daily well-being, some might ask? Well, skepticism is a natural human response, especially when faced with concepts that are outside our usual understanding. But remember, just because something is not fully understood doesn't mean it's not real or effective. Think about it. Gravity was working long before Newton came along and explained it. Skepticism can be a healthy part of any journey into new experiences, including energy dowsing. It encourages us to question, explore, and seek our own truths. So if you're skeptical, that's okay. Try it out for yourself. Experiment with different techniques. See how it feels. After all, personal experience is often the most convincing evidence. And don't forget, energy dowsing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what resonates with you and your energy field. While skepticism is natural, the benefits of energy dowsing are experienced by many. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a powerful tool for enhancing your daily well-being. Now that we understand what energy dowsing is and how it works, let's talk about the benefits it can bring to your life. Energy dowsing serves as a conduit to the subtle energies that surround us. It's like having a conversation with the universe, a dialogue that can help us identify and clear blockages, promote relaxation, and improve overall energy flow. When we're in tune with these energies, we can experience increased vitality and balance in our lives. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm, a clear mind, and an energized body. This is the promise of energy dowsing. Incorporating energy dowsing into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to tune into your surroundings. Perhaps you're sitting in your garden, feeling the breeze on your skin, listening to the birds chirping. As you sit quietly, hold your dowsing tool, a pendulum, a rod, or even your own hands, and ask your question. It could be something like, is there any negative energy that needs to be cleared? Then watch for the response. Don't worry if you're not getting any clear answers at first. Like any new skill, energy dowsing takes practice. The key is to be patient, stay open, and trust the process. And remember, this journey is unique for everyone. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. Beyond the practical benefits, energy dowsing can also lead to profound personal growth. As we become more attuned to the energies around us, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. So while energy dowsing is indeed a tool for enhancing our daily well-being, it can also be a path towards self-discovery and spiritual growth. With these simple steps, you can start your journey with energy dowsing and enhance your daily well-being. Whether you're seeking relaxation, balance, or deeper insights, energy dowsing offers a wealth of opportunities. So why not give it a try? You just might be surprised by what you discover.